What's up, man? Welcome to the world of calisthenics. This is the next joint. This is the push-up. This is probably the primary exercise in calisthenics to get your chest right. You understand? A lot of dudes gonna be telling you to do them a whole bunch of different ways. I'm gonna show you how Sean G do them. I do them prison style or jail style, which is the short joints, right? But you could tell my chest speak for itself. So we come right here. Check me out. Boom. Y'all got me? So we here, down, 1, 2, 3. You're not slumping your thing like this and doing this. That's not a push-up. We're not doing this. I'm saying your body flat, perfect form. You come in here, boom. Stay in the pocket. Stay in the pocket, right there. Prison style, stay in the pocket. Right? And the reason I do them like that is because I put all the pressure on my pecs. I'm 55 years old. I don't take no creatine, no protein powder, no supplements, no TRT, no HGH, no nothing. Branching, no type of supplement. I probably done did over 1 million push-ups over the last 10 years, and I do them like that. You understand? This is what I do. I don't lift no weights. I'm straight calisthenics. This is what it is. Welcome to the channel. Subscribe. YouTube channel, link in the bio. Podcast with Soul. Peace.